Good evening, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Range Rover Sport. Now this is a 7-seater. Quite rare. Range Rover Sport 3-litre SDV6 HSE automatic. So 4-wheel drive, 2015, registered in the latter part of the year on a 65 plate. Right, 7 seats, 76,000 miles. Cam belt replaced at 64,000 miles by Land Rover. Cam belt replaced, metallic black, black leather, beautiful diamond cut 20 or 21-inch alloy wheels, which have just been freshly diamond cut and powder coated. Very nice car. As you can see, it's got side steps. Serviced at 12, 24, 32, 50, 61, 64 cam belt, and then at 75,000 miles, now done 76,000 miles. Had brake pads all round as well at the last service or very recently. So brand new tyres times 4. As you can see, front park sensors, daytime LED running lights, got the front fog lamps, it's all black, hasn't got the silver fog lamp surrounds, looks really smart. Headlamp washers. Those wheels are, what a great looking car. 7-seater, black leather, heated front seats, heated rear seats. Okay, reverse camera, rear park sensors, privacy glass. Let me show you those alloy wheels. New tyres, freshly diamond cut, beautiful. Paintwork, very, very, very nice. Keyless entry, keyless start. Nice grills, wing grills. Another wheel, brand spanking new, a new tyre. Front bumper, very nice, not scuffed. 1 or 2 stone chips. Grills in good condition. Range Rover badge is pretty nice. Inside, piano black, obviously Meridian Hi-Fi. Electric seats in very nice condition. Armrests, piano black. This car has rear entertainment pack as well. Leather multifunction steering wheel with paddle change. Satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, freezing cold climate control. Got your terrain response modes down there for your sand and gravel, snow, etc, etc. Lovely, lovely thing. So in the back, yeah, door cards, beautiful. Very, very, very nice. Land Rover headphones times 2. I'll put them on in a minute, but yeah, rear entertainment screens. The other headphones are over there, can't really see because of the sunlight. Heated rear seats. Now if we fold these forwards and look in the back, got the 7 seats. Now they're electric, up and down, there's the buttons. Load cover or parcel shelf is there, and there's your 7 seats, rare as. Come around the back of the car, obviously it's a powered tailgate. All in very, very, very nice condition. Press the button, camera's up underneath there. 7 seats are in the up position at the moment. Right, lovely. 7 seats, powered seats. Press the button, tailgate will close. This side of the car, equally beautiful. Obviously wheels are like brand new. New tyres, cam belt replaced, good service history. Drives absolutely spot on. Another immaculate wheel and new tyre. Remember, this on the back are quite new, brake pads are brand new. This on the front are very good, and the brake pads are brand new. Big spec with 7 seats and rear entertainment. Electric mirrors, folding mirrors, heated mirrors. Memories there for the electric driver's seat. Electric steering column. Leather multifunction steering wheel. 76,951 miles on the clock. Beautiful, very, 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 very nice condition. £15,995. Now that's a lot of Range Rover Sport. £15,995. Lots of service history, 76,000 miles. Cam belt done by Land Rover at 64,000 miles. New brakes, fully refurbed alloy wheels, new tyres, ready to go. Lovely, lovely car. 15,995. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,500 other car videos we produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. There'll be plenty of Range Rovers. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You will be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that vehicle in. Thank you very much for your time this evening, and goodbye.